Hi guys, today we're going to talk about area models and how they can be used to solve division problems or multiplication problems. Since multiplication and division are the inverses of each other, since they're related, we can use area models to help us multiple ways in math. So if you are not familiar with the word area actually means length times width. So I think about a rectangle like my yard, right? So if I think about the perimeter, that's the area on the outside or like the fence. I said area on the outside. The edge of the yard or the fence is what we call perimeter. Area is all this inside. So if I wanted to figure out how big my yard was, I could measure the outside length and the outside width, and then I can multiply them together. So here I've got 12 for my length. I don't know my width, so I'm using the variable x, which we use in math a lot. And then I know that my area is actually 288. So if I wanted to figure out what the width of my yard would be, I would actually take 288 and divide it by 12. So let's go ahead and solve that. So I know 12 cannot fit into 2. 12 can fit into 28 2 times. Subtract, bring down my 8. And I get the even perfect answer of 24. So my width of my yard would be 24. And that basically means 12 times 24 equals 288. Let's do another one. We've got 756 for our area. The outside edge or the length is 42. What would I get for this width? I could take 756 and divide it by 42. So 42 cannot fit into 7. 42 can fit into 75, but how many times? Well, if I double 42, I would get 84. That's too big, so I think it can only fit in there one time. And I get 33, but I've got to bring down my 6, and I get 336. Whew! Let's think about how many times 4 can fit into 33. Let's kind of use my tacket trick here. So I know that 10 times 4 is 40, 9 times 4 is 36, and 8 times 4 is 32. So let's try 8 and see what we get. So 42 times 8. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. I didn't even know that ahead of time. For real, I didn't. I would, for my answer, get 18. Let's do another one. Oh, actually, I think we can probably stop there. It's important to note that with these types of problems that they're very visual. So if you are not a visual math person, just ignore that picture and just know that you need to solve for that missing variable. So